Hello, fellow developers. Welcome back to Quick Dev. In this video, we're going to spice up our HTML skills by exploring text formatting. Text formatting is crucial for making your content visually appealing and structured. Let's dive in. We'll start with some basic text formatting elements. These allow you to control the style and appearance of your text. So, here we have a simple piece of HTML code demonstrating different ways to format text and how this looks into the browser. For bold text, we use the strong tag. Anything between these tags will be displayed in a bold style. To create italic text, we use the M tag. Text enclosed in these tags will be rendered in italics. Now, for underlined text, we employ the U tag. This is less common in modern web design, but it's good to know. And there you have it. Simple ways to style your text in HTML. Remember, these tags not only change the appearance, but also add semantic meaning to your content. Headings and line breaks are also part of text formatting, providing structure and spacing in your content. Headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. Let's see how these heading styles and line breaks render in our browser. With headings, you can use different levels, from H1 to H6 tags, to create a hierarchy in your content. And also, line breaks, created with the BR tag, are useful for breaking text onto a new line within a paragraph. The other basic HTML tags are quoting and citing text, which is a common practice in content creation. Let's look at block quotes and citations. The block quote tag is used to define a block of text that is a quotation from another source. It typically indents the text and gives it a distinct style to visually set it apart. Inside the block quote tag, there's a paragraph element containing the text of the quotation. In this example, the text is "This is a block quote." It can be used for quoting a significant piece of text. The second paragraph P element contains the text source, along with a cite element. The cite element is used to define the title of a creative work or the name of a person. In this case, the content of the cite element is author name. This is often used to attribute the source of the quotation. When this HTML code is rendered in a browser, the block quote will likely have some styling to visually distinguish it as a quotation, and the citation will appear in a way that indicates it is the source of the quoted text. The specific appearance may vary depending on the browser and any additional styling applied to the web page. A block quote is used for longer quotes, and cite is used to define the title of a creative work or a person's name. In general, text formatting in HTML is a powerful way to enhance the presentation of your content. If you're enjoying this series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this exploration of text formatting in HTML helpful. Keep practicing, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next video.